Are you drowning in a sea of thoughts, feeling your ideas are too scattered or messy to share? Do you wish a magic button could make your ideas instantly clear and organized? Well, brace yourselves because I have some fantastic news for you. Isn't it amazing how our brains can conjure up brilliant ideas at any given moment? Yet, when it comes to translating them into cohesive text, it often feels like entangling Christmas lights. You're sitting there with a blank page in front of you, waiting for the right words to flow. They just don't come. Trust me, we've all been there. Today, I'm excited to introduce a game-changing solution that could be your perfect companion in such scenarios. Meet AudioPen Prime, your personal transcription and summarization tool. This incredible device is the epitome of convenience, designed to help you translate your thoughts into organized text with just a click of a button. Let's talk about the benefits. Have a meeting, a brainstorming session, or just a burst of creativity in the middle of the night? With AudioPen Prime, you can speak your mind and it will take care of the rest. No more spending hours trying to articulate your thoughts or summarize your ideas. The best part? It's smart enough to filter out your ums and ahs, making your text as smooth as a hot knife through butter. I believe in this product, and I want you to experience it too. For more details and to get your hands on AudioPen Prime, all you need to do is to click the link in the description below. Trust me, this is a tool you'll want in your productivity arsenal. Your future self will thank you.